Alright everyone, so today we're at Menard looking at the Chamberlain C2202 and the Chamberlain UFO, which the UFO model is a B463T, I'm pretty sure for this one. Yeah, this is the one without the camera, so it would be this one. This one is the same thing, but it has a camera, so this one does not. So yeah, I made a video here like 7 months ago. Well, I was at a different one, but I'm here again, and well, thought I should do an updated video. So yeah, just gonna basically show you guys around, and yeah. So we'll go ahead and start off with the C2202. They mounted the button wrong. Got the light on the left side instead of the right. But who cares? So yeah, pretty nice. Short limits, which I don't really know how I feel about that, but I mean, it gets the job done for show. And yeah, we'll get a quick outside. It's just a plain white door. Alright. Door's flimsy. As I said, it gets the job done for sure. We'll go ahead and go up to the UFO. We'll give it a quick run. This one has better limits actually. I think this is the perfect limit for it. We'll bring it down. Has good soft stop. It goes fast all the way down, but we'll get an outside of this one. And I don't think that'll, yeah. Nothing, I was gonna come out you guys, but who cares? Alright, here's some of the stuff they got. Got this MyQ keypad. I'm thinking about getting this. It's on sale, so that's pretty good. $50. It's usually 100. So yeah. And then got some keypads down there. They got a Performax keypad, which is $24. I really don't know why this is so much more or so much less than the Chamberlain shit. I mean, this is just rebranded, or I don't know, but this is just so less than the Chamberlain remotes. For instance, this is $19. Regular Chamberlain 3-button 953. I don't know if this is a max. Yeah, it's a max, but it's 34. Same for the keychain, but I have a keychain already, so. Got a Genie light bulb for whoever cares about their light. And yeah, got some of the openers, so we can take a look at that. Got a jack shaft, UFOs, Chamberlains. Also, remind me what this is. I really don't know what this is. It's a half horsepower garage door. It comes with 1-button remote, 1-button battery backup. Like, is this a C2212 or something? Well, is it a belt? No, C2211, because it says MyQ CFGD01, but I don't know if that's the model or if that's just something that they put on. But please tell me what this is, because they don't have a motor head on here, and I really don't know what it is. But anyway, you got your C2202 Performax, which this is 154. That's 179. This is on sale. I wonder if this is a good opener because it's $379 and it's $289 now since it's on sale. Motion sensing. 1/4 horsepower. I really want to know what this does. Has the single swipe stuff. Security sensing, security lighting. I don't know. It says motion sensing, so I'm guessing if you put your hand on the door, it'll go up. I don't really know. But, I really don't know if these are good openers. Put in the comments if that's a good opener, because I really don't know. We'll go ahead and run these two doors one more time, and then that will be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll go ahead and bring it back down. We will go ahead and do the UFO again. There we go. Alright, down that's it. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Oh, I just saw this. Perfect park. Anyway, that's it. See you.